Welcome to IT networking. So KB5016139 Windows 10, so 21H1 and 21H2. So new update launches means rollback. So you can click to manually from click to start button and go to setting. If don't know, show, because Windows launch rollback update. So if you try and automatically is not getting this update, so you download manually. Okay, so I give you link in description, so you just copy and paste and then paste to Chrome browser and then enter. So what is this link? So guys, this is catalog update microsoft.com. This search is update, so rollback now. So you searches to 2622. So which one you want to download? So Windows 10 64-bit. So please check, you want to 21H2, so this one download 20H0, so this one download 21H1s as basic systems critical update, so download this one. So when you're showing link and then click again the click. So now this is downloading this update, so you just copy, not copy, open when done, so you check it. So when it's download and then setup is automatically. Have an issue guys, please comment me. Thank you, take care.